I picked up these Leviton Decora unbreakable nylon wall plates, and I actually got a 10-pack. And let's go inside and show you everything about them. They're packaged very nicely, and when you take out one, they're individually packaged. Then taking it out of the bag, you can get a really close look of what it looks like. The benefit of these is I found that if whatever your outlet or your light switch is actually like a little recessed into the wall, this has like a bunch of play, and then it's not going to break. It's not going to crack. So if you really need to like ratchet and tighten these screws into the wall and it ends up bending the wall plate, the benefit of the unbreakable nylon wall plates is these actually will not break, and they come in really handy because of that reason. You do get these integrated screws, and what's really nice is when they're in the wall plate like this and then they're not installed in the wall, they're actually not going to get lost. Like they're pretty secure in there. And the wall plate screws are pretty short, so you can kind of get a sense of how long they actually are. And you can tell here the wall plate is fairly glossy. And because it's nylon, it has this really nice and light feel to it. So you're going to use this for any single gang applications like rocker plates or regular receptacles. So I hope you found this quick review hands-on walkthrough helpful, and thanks for watching.